CivicPlus Asset Management transforms infrastructure operations into measurable community service. Built for public works and utilities teams, it streamlines fieldwork, increases reliable service, and builds public trust, with tools designed for local government workflows. From preventative maintenance and mobile work orders to GIS mapping and real-time reporting, it gives staff the visibility and control to reduce downtime, spend responsibly, and deliver consistent, high-quality service that residents can count on. Track assets by type, location, and condition, with service history, inspections, and documents stored in one place. GIS mapping makes it easy to visualize assets, prioritize work, and plan proactively. Assign, track, and complete work orders in a connected system. Monitor progress, labor, and materials in real time, with reports that link costs to assets and justify budgets. Crews access tasks, inspections, and asset details from any device. Real-time syncing and GPS routing reduce travel time, improve accuracy, and keep teams aligned. The software tracks planned versus actual completion dates on preventative maintenance and highlights delays, giving teams the data they need to justify staffing and workload adjustments. As part of the Civic Impact platform, Asset Management integrates other solutions for end-to-end asset tracking, work orders, and resident requests in one system. Updates flow automatically between staff, leadership, and the public, eliminating silos and improving communication. Ready to simplify asset management and strengthen infrastructure planning? Schedule a demo.